In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language settings on GitHub in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process, so if you're looking to personalize your GitHub experience by setting it to a preferred language, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, the choice is yours. Once you're online, head over to your search bar and type in GitHub. After hitting enter, you should see the link to GitHub's official site right at the top of your search results. Click on that link to be directed to the GitHub homepage. If you don't have a GitHub account yet, you'll need to sign up. The process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. This step is essential as you need to be logged in to access your profile settings. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your GitHub dashboard. Now, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you should see your profile picture or avatar. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed, choose Settings. This will take you to the main settings page of your profile. With the settings page open, you'll want to navigate to the Public Profile section. Simply scroll down a bit until you find it. In this section, you'll see various settings that you can adjust to customize your public profile on GitHub. Continue scrolling until you reach the part labeled Trending Settings. This is where you can specify certain preferences related to languages. Under this section, you'll find a field named Preferred Spoken Language. There will be a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal the list of available languages. Now, select your desired language from the list provided. This selection determines the language preferences for certain parts of GitHub, such as trending repositories and the Explore pages, giving you a more personalized experience when browsing through projects and content. After you have selected your preferred language, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the button labeled Save Trending Settings right below the language drop-down menu. Click this button to apply your language preferences. The changes take effect immediately, so you'll notice your new language selection as you navigate the site. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've customized your GitHub experience to better suit your personal language preference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.